Hello, here we have what the testing looks like when you are running, in this case it's the C128 40/40 diagnostic testing thing. The reason we are here is I'm just running through a test of my testing 128, if that makes sense. And I mentioned before, sometimes you can have a SID chip that works but doesn't work. And in this case, I have found one that works. Well, 3/4 of it works. But this would be one, if some sound things were needed, but not much sound, it would be okay. But it would let a machine function even though it is not happy. It is unfortunate in this one that what we have is the musical voices, voice 1, 2, 3, are just fine. It is the white noise voices, or parts of the voice, that are not fine. So it sings, it dances, it does all its thing that it should do, but it won't make the grumbling noises. Anyway, so here is the test screen of the Commodore 128. It is check 0 page, stack page, screen RAM, color RAM. Now it is checking other RAM. Down below are a bunch of chips. 8510, 6526, 6526, 8564, 6581, 8721, as well as RAM things. So we're just checking all those things. It's funny, as I look here, I forget. It makes mention of two 6526 chips. Oh, wait, I think I see it. Yeah, they're oftentimes, there's one. They're oftentimes close to each other on some of the boards. In this case, they are not at all. One is over near the joystick ports, the other one is near the user port. So, here soon is an example of a SID chip that is working but not working. Here we go. Here. This is where we should hear the grumble, the rumble, the and we hear nothing. But the machine works with it. It does not report the chip as defective. So for a machine that doesn't need a SID chip, or where sound is not really a priority, this would still let a 64 or a 128 function quite happily. Unfortunately, it does not work. But yet it does work, but then it doesn't work. Anyway, so I will continue to test things. And here is as I said, there was a glimpse of the screen of the diagnostic. And this 128 appears to be quite happy. Anyway, thank you for being here. I remain at your service.